Hi my beautiful queens, welcome to my channel. It's Jen Beauty with you today. Hey y'all. Alrighty ladies, so today I'm reviewing this lovely gorgeous hair by Alipearl. This is a 6x6 inch closure wig with 180 density, which is really full. The length of this wig is 20 inches. And yes, ladies, I do apologize. You do see me talking in this video. That's because I was not expecting to do a voiceover, but I did have to do one. Okay, so now you can see I'm showing you the back of the wig. As you can see, it is full. The wig did not come pre-plucked. I did have to go over it and pre-pluck it myself. And I also did bleach the knots as well. Okay, as you can see, I'm going off over here because I was expecting my wig to come in a box and it surely did not. I ordered from them before and my wig came in a box. But as you can see, it came in its bag that I'm showing you here. It also came with this cute pink Alipearl bag you can store your wig in. So yes, I was a little disappointed. It also came with a wig cap, an instruction card, and also telling you thank you for shopping with them. And also the elastic band, you can add it. I did not add this in the video for my wig. It fit just fine. It's very snug as well. All right, so let's go get this wig on, girl. As you can see, yes, I did over bleach my knots, but you know, mascara and some tint lace and makeup gonna make the job work, boo-boo. All right. Like, yes, honey, check you out. I was loving this. Yes. This wig is so gorgeous, ladies. It's very nice and it's soft. It's so beautiful. I would highly recommend it. Oh, yeah, I'm so sorry. I forgot to show you guys the clips before I did put it on. They do have 3 combs. So they have 2 combs in the front and also 1 comb in the back there. And you can see all that parting space. It is 6 inches, so it is a lot of parting space if you wanted to put it to the side, in the middle. However, it's very beautiful. And not a lot of people like frontals from ear to ear. The closure is just like a frontal, and it's very, easy to put on and maintain. And I feel like it's easy to take off when you're ready to. All right, my lovely queens, so I'm just gonna let the video go ahead and play. I'm also going to list all of the products and everything that I did use in the description box below, and I'm also gonna leave the links to the wig and the products and everything that I purchased it from. Alrighty, so I'm just gonna let the video play because I don't want to have to keep talking inside the video too much and talking your ears away. So yes, the video is sped up a little bit, but not too fast where you can't see anything. So I hope you guys do enjoy. Thank you.
Is that glue in my hair?
There's glue in my hair. Oh my god. Oh my god, oh my god. Think what are you gonna do? Oh my god, it's really blowing my hair, guys. Please don't make this mistake like I did. I mean, it's not the end of the world, but no. Thank God. I just washed it. Like, jeez. I need to be more careful. I need to be more careful. Okay. Yes, honey boo boo, fan that hair, girl, fan it. Shoot. Hey, oh, okay. Fan. You gotta fan and dry your hair. Hey. Yes, ladies, I'm just drying my hair out right now because I did not have my blow dryer next to me. So yes, use them fingers and yes, get that handy dandy card to work. You feel me? Fan, baby, fan. And look at that. Easy 1, 2, 3. It dried up. Look at that. That was easy. Ladies, please be careful with this hot comb. This thing is hot and steaming. Y'all, I burnt my damn head, okay? I burnt my scalp. Just be careful because it's really hot, okay? I don't want nobody trying to blame me for using a hot comb on their head. If you got your mannequin head and you want to do it from the beginning, do it from the beginning, okay? Because don't be like me now and then burn your scalp off and you coming on my post commenting that your ass freaking burn your forehead off, okay? Shoot. Girls, I was so excited. Look at that. I was so excited that it came out good. I am not a professional at all. I do my own hair, and I always have been doing my own hair since I was young, but I'm just excited. Don't you get excited when you just achieve the look that you're going for? Ugh, it's like a blessing, okay? It looks so good. Okay, ladies, as you can see right there, I just made like a big mistake with the powder. So what I'm going to do right now, here's a trick. You can use yourself some mascara. Sorry, I'm not showing you there. I am looking over inside the mirror that's there to the side. But the trick you can use is mascara. Mascara, or any eyeliner pencil. At the moment, all I have was mascara. So yes, use your mascara to just give a touch up with the edges there. Especially if you over bleach your knots. This is another trick that I see a lot of people use as well. So as you can see, I'm just lightly going over it, not too heavy because you don't want it to smudge at all. So yes, you see I'm just creating that right there where I messed up at. Yes. Me and baby hairs, I hardly do them like that, but I do try my best. And yes, I love the natural state of the hair, how it's nice and full and bouncy. So I did not add a lot of mousse to the hair. As you can see, I only added just a little bit, and it's giving me that wonderful flow. I didn't put any water in it as well. All I did was cold washed it, bleached the knots, and it gave me that look. So yes, ladies, as you can see right here, you're gonna see how beautiful it came out, and the lace is just blending in with my skin. Look at that. The baby hairs look like it's just growing out from my scalp. Those look like my own baby hairs. And this wig just came out phenomenal. It came out so good. And these are the products that I used here. It was just a spray bottle of water and a lot of body wrapping mousse. Okay, ladies, I just like for you guys, this is the end of the video. I hope that you all did enjoy. Please do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. Bye. Mwah.